I said Tom. I forgot.
How is Tom? Hello, friends. Good morning. I am on my way to Pilates. 10 more minutes, so I'm just hanging out in the car. My sister sent me like 10 video DMs, and so I get to watch those and reply to her. I look forward to her videos. Doesn't matter like what I'm doing, I'll watch them, you know what I mean? I enjoy it. It's my mom's heavenly birthday today, and I'm not gonna cry my eyes out or anything, but as I was driving here, I never heard this song by Maxwell, and I love Maxwell, but there's this song called Pretty Wings that played, and I was like, what? It feels like a sign from my mother, because ain't no way, like, why would it say Pretty Wings? And my mom's an angel now, she passed away. So I'm gonna look up the lyrics and see, because I love looking for signs. Hello friends, how are you? I just got back from Pilates. I love that Pilates studio, like, so far. I haven't been there long enough. I usually like my, group personal training 3 times a week, but Pilates I want to do at least once a week or twice if possible. But I'm also juggling, doing my videos here, my cooking videos, and also juggling the creator wizard calls that I have whenever someone is interested in our sponsorship courses and stuff like that. So yeah, I really liked it though. Like, the instructor is so nice. So we are kind of out of the bread. We only have like 3 pieces left. So I was like, we could do avocado toast. Well, let me go see if we still have avocado. But if we do, I could do that for lunch. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm like, can I add 1 more egg up in here? Probably. Yup, I can. Why am I Pinoy and I'm like grabbing it with my fingers? There we go. 2 eggs each. Got some questions on these salt and pepper shakers. Justin gave them to me for Christmas. It was a splurge, but I really have wanted it for a while, ever since I saw Nabella. She has like a gold one, and I saw that Nabella, she linked hers and it's on Amazon, but hers is gold. My house is not gold, as you can see, it's more silver. And so I looked everywhere for one, and then I found one, and then we got it. One of my Christmas gifts. And it's the gift that keeps on giving, even though it was quite a splurge. But it's someone who loves cooking so much. It makes me happy. So it's all good because it was a gift. So this is my lunch. Avocado toast with Amy's sourdough, 2 fried eggs, salad, some cantaloupe. Not in individual containers anymore because that was a mess yesterday. And I made the same for Justin. And I added chicken bouillon in the smashed avocado mixture. I know this is goofy, but the sun is out, so I just wanted to stand here, because when have you seen the sun, my friends? Since living here in Minnesota, the winter has been long, so I just want to stand here. I washed my makeup brushes and the sun will dry it beautifully. And it is one of the warmest days so far since winter. I think it's 40 degrees. The warmest was when Dave Chappelle came. Oh my gosh, did I tell you? We went and saw Dave Chappelle. He was amazing. He donated everything that he made back to Minnesota. And he wore a Prince tank top. He smokes a lot, man. That's one thing I noticed. It was a dream for us to see Dave Chappelle. So like, I can't believe we actually got to see him. He's awesome. Hello, pardon my tears. Justin he went to pick up Jacob after school instead of me, and I'm gonna get Liam. And because Justin has something to do at 4 o'clock. And Justin was like, I have a cake for your mom. And I was gonna make a cake the next day, but because my cake supplies didn't arrive yet. But ice cream cake, Jakey! That's so yummy! And oh my gosh. Sorry if I sound snotty. Cheese curds? Thank you, Bubba. Jacob said he ate his already. Did you, Bubba?
Yeah, in the car.
Oh my gosh. Today, Jacob wore his new shoes. He has like, you want to show it to them? Go grab it, sweetie.
They tried to crease his J's, he said.
Oh, they was trying to crease his J's. And I got a random Amazon order. Some body wash. Thank you, sweetie.
I'm gonna put it in the freezer.
And oh, thank you. And I got kids gloves because Jakey and I like to cook, but sometimes he likes to wear gloves. Papa, okay, let's hold your shoe like this. Yeah, these are Jakey's new shoes. Liam has a black version. They're so cute, aren't they? My boys get to pick whatever shoe they like. Here you go, Papa. Thank you.
Thank you.
But yeah, Jakey, we got your gloves. Oh, sorry if I'm being so loud. Look how little. They're like little kid-sized gloves. And also when you clean, because you like to clean. Actually, you really don't, but I'm trying to get them to like it. But that's, anyways, I'm going to go wash my hands. Oh, look at my puppy. You guys haven't seen Cooper in a minute. He's growing. Okay, first of all, get into this delicious, lovely, scrumptious boy named Oliver, a.k.a. Ollie Pop. His government name is Oliver Squirrely Whirly Muffins More. Uh-oh, I'm so sorry. We just want to see how thick he is. 10 months, 13 pounds, 13 point something. Now let's get into Koopy, the skinny legend. Let's get the skinny legend. It's okay, mommy got you, baby. Oh my God, look at this delicious skinny legend. Koopy, 7 months, 7 pounds. And he eats more than Oliver. He just has, high metabolism. He just has, all those sounds be scaring him. He has very high metabolism. I wish I could be like Koopy. But I'm more like Oliver. We're back from piano. Jakey and Liam took their shower already. We're going to take our shower later. But yeah, we got a candle. And the cake, it's so beautiful. We're just waiting on... Oh, shoot. Nothing happened. Hello, friends. How are you? I'm about to shower. I got my workout in. And yeah, I got my workout in. And now I'm going to shower and get my lashes filled because it's been 2 weeks. About to go get my lashes filled. Let me show you what we're working with. Ooh, girl, why my face so round? It's because I eat good. Alrighty, I got my lashes filled. And guess what? I saw one of my gym buddies. It's so funny. We both kind of bonded over the fact that we get lash extensions. And I'm like, where do you get yours? And she's like, I get it there. And I was like, where do you? And I was like, I get mine there too. And then we were like, the lash girl. She's so nice and she's so pretty. We just be bragging on our lash girl. And I saw her there. She was getting her nails done when I was leaving getting my lashes done. So that was so fun. She's gonna have such a fun weekend. I love it when you see like your friends from like the gym and then you see them somewhere else. It's such a fun feeling. It's like, hey girl, look at us with our outside clothes, not our gym clothes. Well, today I'll be honest. I'll be looking like I'm in my gym clothes today. This sweater and then just like these black Spanx pants, but they're like the wide leg cotton kind. I like those. They're comfy. Anyways, I'm gonna go pick up my jickaroony soon, but I think I have time to drive to HomeGoods and look for a... Do I though? I think I do. I will. Yeah, I made it to HomeGoods. I don't find like an olive oil container that I want. I wanted like yellow. Hello friends! So I didn't find what I needed at HomeGoods, but I found stuff I didn't need. So I got this maxi dress because we're going on spring break. First, I looked for the kids stuff. There was nothing. Like, they had no size 8, size 10. So, I'm going to have to go shop for them other days. But I found this dress for myself for our spring break trips. $24.99 for this long maxi. So cute, not cute. Something about denim. Denim, I just freaking love because I can wear with sneakers. And I used to have this gorgeous Reformation dress. But that ish is so tight on the waist. And I had gained weight since living here. And so, that ish don't fit me no more. Well, we'll see. I'll try still. But then I love denim, and so I got another denim maxi dress. I like maxis because I'm kind of insecure about my legs. I think my legs are not cute at all. Like, you never see my legs ever, right? Because that's on purpose. $29.99, and this one was $24.99. It was like $54 total. Actually, let me tell ya. $54.98. Yeah, I think that's a great price for 2 dresses. My daily Olipop feed, the love of my life. Oh, double? Okay. Ow, you're stabbing me. That kind of hurts. Ordered Vietnamese food. Justin said that there was some good reviews. Justin got a banh mi. And then Liam got dumpling and rice.
Eat these with chopsticks.
Yeah, he likes to eat stuff with chopsticks. They got Pokemon PR. And then, I guess some egg rolls over there. Jakey picked this chicken meal. This is our PR. We got some amazing PR like protein, honey bunches of oats, and a travel bag, Pokemon stuff. Oh my goodness, what is this? A Pokemon game?
Oh yeah,
It says redeem.
I got a $40 Pokemon card from this.
Oh wow, Liam, that's
pulled it from one of the
awesome.
packs.
Hello, friends. Good morning. Oh, we got my baby here sitting on my lap. Hello, friends. How are you? Happy Saturday. We left Liam's basketball game. It's the tournament, so it's also tomorrow. And now we're going to go get some lunch. Oh, no, not lunch. Dinner. I don't know. It's only 20 degrees, and it feels colder. It's the wind. It's always the one that gets us so freezing cold. And we got our gloves on, our puffer. I'm wearing layers. Still cold. Or maybe it's just because it was like 40 degrees the other day. And so like I expect to feel the sun. And then today it's not like that. It was supposed to snow 3 inches, but then it didn't. And then it's like spring for lots of people. I've been seeing people in California with tank tops on. And I'm like, that's lovely. It looks beautiful here. This place won Best Fries, so we're excited. It's a big old meal for a little dude. These fries are so good. This looks good too, honey. I got shrimp. We're back home. Dinner was good. This place called Medbox. We go everywhere for the basketball games. Last week it was Shakopee, right? Shakopee. Oh my gosh, there was a really good restaurant that we tried in Shakopee, but I forgot. Do you remember the name, honey? Or no? No, but we went with Bubby and Saba. It was really nice. Don Ramon. So if you guys are in Minnesota, Don Ramon in Shakopee was really good Mexican food, and they were really nice. And then today in Chanhassen, it was the Medbox, and that they were really nice there too. Like, and the fries were double crispy. The fries reminds me of Lima. Do you guys remember when we lived in the Bay Area? We used to go to this place, Peruvian restaurant called Lima. It was our favorite in the Bay Area. Anyways, Lima is now closed in Concord because there was someone that sued them. I just don't get it. It really makes me so sad. But they got sued because there was, I think, supposedly a ladies' night, and a man sued them because he was like, how come there's no man night? Oh my gosh. But we found out later on, he like just sues a bunch of businesses all the time. So he really like did that to Lima, a small family-owned business. That's so messed up. I just think that's messed up. I'm having some Briars. It's my childhood like memory of my Auntie Simang. I don't know why. I love my Auntie Simang. She's always been so nice. But anyways, my Auntie Simang, she always had Briar strawberry ice cream in her fridge. And sometimes she would get it just for me. And I think about the type of auntie I am. And I learned it all from my Auntie Simang and my aunties. My Auntie Sisa always fed me. My Auntie Stella, she was always so like... Growing up, my Auntie Stella was like considered like the rich one. So she like always like had it like that, and she would like I don't know, like treat us to things like Chuck E. Cheese, which is a big deal for a kid. Yeah, and it makes me think, why am I an amazing auntie? Because what Sophie girl and little man is not gonna say otherwise. It's because I learned from my aunties, and I'm grateful because they really fed me. And I always make sure, like Chicken Little, he likes cottage cheese, like loves it. So every time he comes over, anytime I'm expecting him, I will have it in my fridge for him. Yeah, except last time I didn't have it, and then I gave him yogurt. But I always make separate food for them too. If it's like, oh, if you don't like something, I'll make you something else. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my ice cream. I'm gonna end the vlog. Tomorrow's another basketball. It's the last game of the season. It's the last day of the tournaments. And I'll chat with you later. Bye, friends.